Most BMW engines aren't destroyed on the highway. They're destroyed at traffic lights. Every single day. Not because drivers are reckless, but because they repeat small habits that seem normal, feel harmless, and are even taught as correct driving. If you drive a BMW, automatic or manual, what you do while stopped at red lights matters far more than you think. And these habits slowly destroy engine bearings, turbochargers, transmissions, cooling systems without triggering any immediate warning. If you drive in traffic, this episode can literally add years to your BMW's life. If your goal is to keep your BMW running 200,000 to 300,000 miles, not just until the warranty ends, subscribe now. This channel is about engine survival, not driving myths. Now let's talk about what you must stop doing at red lights, immediately. Police car light killer number 1. Holding the brake and drive. This is one of the most misunderstood habits in modern automatic BMWs. Many drivers stop at a red light, keep the car in drive, and hold the brake pedal firmly, sometimes for minutes. It feels normal. It feels correct. It feels safe. But internally, several systems are under continuous stress. What's happening inside your BMW? The transmission remains engaged, the torque converter keeps loading, transmission fluid temperature rises, engine load stays higher than necessary. In heavy traffic, this repeated stress adds heat, and heat is the enemy of longevity. BMW automatic transmissions are strong, but they are not designed to sit under constant load for extended periods. BMW Survival Rule: at longer red lights, use auto start-stop properly or shift to neutral if stopping for an extended time. Reducing load reduces heat. Reducing heat extends life. Police car light killer number 2, revving or blipping the throttle while stopped. This habit destroys engines silently. Some drivers rev lightly at red lights because they're impatient, they enjoy engine sound, they think it's harmless. But revving while stationary does nothing good for your BMW. What it actually causes: sudden oil pressure spikes, uneven lubrication, unnecessary stress on bearings, turbo load without airflow. Turbocharged BMW engines suffer the most here. Revving without vehicle movement increases exhaust pressure but doesn't cool the turbo properly. BMW Survival Rule: never rev your engine while stopped. Engines are designed to work under load with airflow, not stationary stress. Police car light killer number 3, riding the clutch at red lights. Manual BMW drivers are not safe either. Many drivers hold the clutch pedal down the entire time at red lights. This slowly destroys clutch pressure plates, release bearings, hydraulic components. It also increases heat buildup inside the clutch system. Even worse, slight clutch engagement, the ready-to-go position, causes constant friction. BMW Survival Rule: at red lights, shift into neutral, release the clutch completely. Clutches are consumables, but bad habits destroy them far faster than mileage ever will. Police car light killer number 4, aggressive launching when the light turns green. This habit kills engines after the red light, not during it. Many BMW drivers floor the throttle immediately, launch hard every time, engage Sport or Sport Plus instantly. This is especially destructive when oil temperature is not stable, engine just idled, turbo pressure spikes suddenly. Cold or semi-warm engines hate sudden torque. What happens internally? Piston rings experience shock, rod bearings take stress, turbo shafts spin violently, drivetrain components absorb sudden load. Repeated launches shorten engine life dramatically. BMW Survival Rule: accelerate smoothly from stops. Performance comes after temperature stabilize, not immediately after idling. Police car light killer number 5, letting the engine idle too long in traffic. This sounds counterintuitive. Many drivers believe idling is resting the engine. In reality, oil pressure is lower at idle, cooling airflow is minimal, combustion isn't efficient, heat accumulates. Long idling in traffic causes carbon buildup, oil dilution, cooling system stress, turbo heat soak. BMW Survival Rule: avoid long idle periods when possible. Short idle is fine. Prolonged idling is not. Police car light killer number 6, start-stop systems used incorrectly. BMW's start-stop system isn't perfect, but misusing it makes things worse. Common mistakes: disabling it constantly, forcing restarts repeatedly, panicking and restarting manually. Start-stop systems are calibrated to reduce engine wear when used correctly. Abusing the system causes starter stress, battery overload, electrical system strain. BMW Survival Rule: let the system work as designed or disable it consistently, not randomly. Consistency reduces stress. Police car light killer number 7. Ignoring cooling fan behavior at red lights. Many BMW drivers notice loud fans, fluctuating fan speed, unexpected fan noise in traffic, and they ignore it. Cooling fans activate aggressively when engine bay heat rises, airflow is low, temperatures approach thresholds. Ignoring this means ignoring heat buildup. BMW Survival Rule: if fans are working hard at red lights, reduce engine load, avoid revving, avoid aggressive launches, check cooling system health. Heat warnings come before failures. Brain BMW Engine Survival Mindset, Traffic Edition. Traffic isn't neutral. Red lights aren't harmless. Every stop is a decision: reduce stress or accumulate damage. BMW engines reward patience, smoothness, temperature awareness. They punish impatience, aggression, ignorance. Pushpins save this rule. BMW engines don't die on highways. They die slowly, in traffic. Bell subscribe reminder: if you want BMW-specific survival content, subscribe now. Next episodes will cover short trips and cold engines, turbo cool-down mistakes, warning lights that bankrupt owners. Magnifying glass tilted-right, final curiosities. Many BMW turbo failures start after years of aggressive traffic driving, not track abuse. Transmission overheating often begins at red lights, not highway poles. Smooth drivers often reach 250,000 miles with fewer repairs than gentle but impatient drivers. Automobile next episode teaser: short trips are killing your BMW engine.